Hi friends! Every instruction I'm about to give you has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I am right now, so take a deep breath. This can be fixed. Let's start with the topic that sparks the most conversation, the CVT transmission. A lot of people who come into this shop say things like, "When I accelerate, it feels like it hesitates," or "I feel a small jerk when taking off." It's not that all of them are bad, but this transmission is very sensitive to maintenance. If the specific CVT fluid isn't changed on time, it can start acting strange. In several cases, mechanics tell us that after a full service, the SUV felt normal again. In some markets, Mitsubishi even extended the CVT warranty. Like one mechanic told me recently, a CVT doesn't forgive neglect. And this is where everything connects. When the transmission isn't running smoothly, drivers start noticing other things too. For example, warning lights that come on and then turn off by themselves. We also get customers saying, "My check engine light came on and disappeared the next day," or "The screen resets when I least expect it." In most cases, it's not something serious, but rather sensors or modules that need updates. Some technical service bulletins mention reprogramming to improve certain electronic behaviors. These days, cars are basically computers on wheels, and sometimes the issue isn't mechanical, it's digital. A proper diagnostic scan at the shop usually clears things up quickly. And while all that is happening, there's another detail several customers mention: oil consumption in some 2.4 engines. It's not extreme in every case, but some people say, "Between oil changes, I have to add a little oil." If the level isn't checked regularly, the engine could end up running with less lubrication than it should. There wasn't a massive scandal, but there were clear recommendations to monitor the oil more closely. Like I always say, checking your oil takes 2 minutes and can save you thousands.